Hello, I'm Chef Erin Roth, the owner, founder, and executive chef of Mrs. Joe's Petite Eats, Patisserie and Cafe here in Tysons Corner, Virginia. Today I want to show you how to make a cheese omelet. First thing we want to make sure is that we have a hot skillet. We'll make sure the skillet is hot enough so when you pour your eggs into it, it starts cooking immediately. So I've cracked 3 eggs, I've scrambled, and I want to whisk them, scramble them really good, get more air inside. Then I'm going to pour it into the skillet. And that's the sound you want to hear. Now when I pour it in there, I immediately turn it down, and I go ahead and add my salt and pepper. And what I'm looking for is it cooking around the edges. That's what we want. So what we're going to do is do a north, south, east, and west. I'm going to pull toward the center. And so what I'm doing is pushing that cooked egg back so the raw egg can get under the bottom and continually cooking. You want to do this so your egg cooks evenly. And once I see it start to begin to look a little dry, I go ahead and add my cheese. Now all you do is just add the cheese all around, and you can use any type of cheese you like. You can do a soft cheese, you can do a semi-soft, you can do a hard cheese, but you want to make sure that whatever cheese you use is chopped up. You just don't throw a big hunk of cheese in the middle. And so I'm just going around the edges as so to make sure that nothing's sticking. And then you just want to do it like, turn it, your skillet, to make sure you don't see anything running. And just let it sit there, cook a little longer. Now it's on the lowest setting here. Now if you're doing this in a cast iron skillet, which is my favorite, what I do is I heat the skillet till it begins to smoke. I turn the heat off. Then I pour my egg and do the same thing. And the carryover cooking from a cast iron can cook the egg fully without you even having to turn it back on. Whereas the induction, once you remove it, there's no more heat. So we're almost there, as you can see. So all I'm doing at this point, I want to make sure I'm going to cook it, let it cook a little more. Seems to be a little jiggly in the middle. As you can see, you see that glistening? That's not from the cheese, that's from the egg. So we're going to keep it a little longer. Yeah. So at this point, all I'm going to do is flip it over. And I push it toward the center. Just kind of pat it down to see if anything needs to be cooked. We're going to flip it over one more time, but I'm going to let it cook here. You can hear a little sizzle. So I'm getting ready to flip it on the other side. I think I may turn it up just a little. There we go. I hear the sizzling. All right, I'm going to flip it one more time, and then this should be it. Yeah. This is a cheese omelet. Like I said, any cheese will do. 3 eggs. You can do the same thing with egg whites, but egg whites take longer, and that's in another video on how to do an egg white omelet. And you know what? I think Just gonna flip it one more time. There we go. There we go. All right, there we have it. A cheese omelet. Turn it off. Slide it right on in to the plate. And there we go. Here's your cheese omelet. You will thank me later. Enjoy and have a great day.